guys, today in ELA, we're going to focus on the vocabulary that can be found in ocean sunlight. As you remember, yesterday what your job was to do is read the story for the first time and notice and wonder. But we added a step to our noticing and wondering yesterday, where we were also collecting information about, well, not really information, but collecting a list of words that were unknown to us. And there were a couple of words in the story that are very special to this topic. For example, phytoplankton and zooplankton, photosynthesis. Those three words especially are very special to learning about the plants in the ocean and how the sun provides food for them and keeps them alive. So today what you're going to do is you're going to use a special chart, and we'll start using this chart more and more. And you actually have a chart that looks like this in your box at home. And the chart is meant for us to really dig into one vocabulary word. So if you look at the page that's on the screen, this is an example page. So I used the word ocean. I put it right in the middle as the special word. And each of the boxes on the outside are something that I want you to say about the word. So for example, the first box is meant for the definition. And the definition is what a word means. On the activity today, you're going to have a search tool that I hope will work for you, where you can type in the word and it will take you to a dictionary online, and you can use what the dictionary tells you and type it in the definition for what the word actually means. If the dictionary does not work, there are tons of dictionaries. If you just Google dictionary, you would probably find one that would work for you. But remember, a dictionary is meant for telling what a word means. So the first box, I looked up the word ocean and I typed what the word means. In the second box, you have illustration. Now, if you are interested, you can always draw your own picture and take a picture of that drawing, or you can insert a picture from the web. So if you do insert image and you search the web, you could type your word in. So my word was ocean, and then I can insert a picture, and you have to use the boxes or the blue boxes on the corner to make it fit into this space. Then you have these examples and non-examples. So examples are things that are that word or fit in that category. So for example, an ocean in our world, there are many, and I typed a couple: the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Those were examples that I came up with for the word ocean. And then a non-example would be, think about like the opposite of your word. So I wrote land and river because land is the opposite of ocean. And although a river is not really the opposite, a river is not a large body of water. It's a smaller, thinner body of water that is moving, which is a little different than the ocean. So this page is meant to show you an example of how to do this. Then when you scroll down and look through the rest of the slides, you're going to find that there are 4 words. Now, I don't actually want you to do all 4 words. I want you to do one. And I want you to choose which one you want to do. So if you go to slide number 3, the word is photosynthesis. The next slide, you have nutrients. These are all words that come from ocean sunlight that are important vocabulary. Then you have energy. And then you have phytoplankton. So you're going to pick one of these. You can use the search tool that I hope will work for you to take you to a dictionary. The dictionary you will type in will then take you to a place to type in your special word so you can find the meaning. And then from there, you would need to know what it means to be able to give examples, and then also non-examples, which are like opposites or something different. And then your illustration, that one's pretty simple because all you need to do is type in the word in the Google image or draw a picture. So again, you're only choosing one. Even though there are 4 slides, you only need to pick one of these words to do this chart for, okay? And we're going to be using this chart a lot more often so that we can gain knowledge about special words, and hopefully the next time you see the words in the future, you'll know exactly what they mean.